What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today in this video, as you can see by the title, we are installing the Molle Platform Solutions door strap extension brackets for the 4-door Wrangler. Mine is a 2010 Wrangler if you guys are new to the channel, and this is going to be for the 4-door model. Like I said, we're going to be doing the front doors first and then the rear doors last. And let's go ahead and jump into the tools you need, and I'll show you guys everything that you guys need and what comes in the package. We'll talk about the product and then we'll get to the installation. Let's get to it. All right, guys, so everything that you need for this installation is right here on the hood of my Jeep. This is everything that you get in your package from Molle Platform Solutions. This is the driver's side and this is the passenger side. We're gonna go ahead and look at the doors here in a bit after I explain what you need, and see how far they open with the stock brackets on there. And then when we put the new ones on there, we'll do a comparison. So I'm going to be using my Milwaukee Impact with a socket adapter on the end and a 10mm socket. The 10mm socket's for the bolts for the brackets. That's all you pretty much need. Let's go ahead and look at the comparison for these stock brackets for your doors. All right, guys, so when you open up your passenger side door, I'm not going to do the driver's side because the driver's side is a little bit messed up, but we're going to open up the passenger side door on the front. And when you open it up all the way, it doesn't come out to a strict straight on 90-degree angle. So it opens up. It's a little bit limited, a little bit. You can pry it open even more if you wanted to. Sorry, it's a little dirty in there, but yeah, so the brackets, the stock brackets are right here. These are the stock brackets, and we'll be replacing those today, as of course. And the brackets that came in from Molle Platform Solutions are a little bit bigger. So that's for the front door. And the rear door, we'll open that up. This one is not really that bad. It opens up to a strict 90-degree angle. But most JKs open up just right about there. I'm not sure if the strap is fully onto the bracket in the rear, but the brackets for the rear are in this plastic trim piece for the B-pillar. There is a little cover right here that we'll be taking off so we can take those out completely. And yeah, so let's go ahead and jump into this installation. All right, guys, so we're over here on the driver's side of the vehicle. We're going to go ahead and unbolt the 2 bolts on this stock bracket, and like I said, it's a 10mm, and let's go ahead and do that now. And you will be reusing these bolts, so do not throw them away. Come on, there you go. Put that down there. Right, perfect. And it should just come right off there. It's a little glued on by all the dirt I've got. There we go. She came right off of there, and perfect. So there is the stock bracket, and we can compare it to the new bracket. There's a very big difference in length. I'd say about 1 inch. That's what she said. Yeah, so. And by the way, guys, these new brackets are made out of a 3/16 inch steel, and they're powder coated black, so don't expect them to rust at all, which is pretty cool. I'm really excited about this. Let's go ahead and get this bracket installed. I have to edit one thing. I do have to take off this. So this is a lock. It's like it's a little lock here that the previous owner installed because this door strap is broken. And not to worry, I do have a replacement for this. So as you can see, this end is broken, but let me go ahead and get that the new bracket, and I'll see you guys back here in a second. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and install this the new bracket. Make sure you get the one that's a little bit curved. So the front ones are curved a little bit, as you guys can see there. Make sure you get the one that is curved towards your door. So let's go ahead and reinstall this here. Move this out of the way. I'm going to torque those down just yet. I'm just going to feed those through. All right, now we can torque them down. All right, and it's in. Let me go ahead and I have to take this piece off in order to get the old strap off so I can put this new one on. This is a black Paracord strap from RedRock 4x4. I'll link these in the description box below so you guys can get yourself a pair of these so you guys can upgrade from this stock look. All right, guys, I'll be right back here in a second. All right, guys, so I got this new strap installed. I'm gonna have to cut this other one off. Not this piece, but this piece right here where the old one was. I'm gonna cut that off later on, but we're gonna go ahead and just strap this onto here. Just pull the door to a little bit, and it's on there perfectly. Oh yeah, and I can see already the door opens up plenty further. We'll do a review after we're completely done. The bracket does move a little bit, but that's okay. That's just the tension of the door opening and closing. That's all right. All right. Let's go ahead and move to the rear driver's side, and then we'll go ahead and go on to the other side. All right, guys, we've already moved to the back here. I've already just removed this little plastic cover. You can just pry it off with your hands or a screwdriver if it's too tight. I've discovered that these are not 10mm bolts on my 2010 Jeep Wrangler. They might be 10mm bolts on other models, but on mine it is a T25 Torx bit or star bit. So we're gonna go ahead and remove those two bolts. Go ahead and remove those here. I don't want to lose the bolt in the inside of this. So let's go ahead and see. There we go. All right, and as you guys can see, I already removed the bracket off of there, but this is the old bracket, and this is the new bracket. So there's a big difference on that. I would say about 1.5 inches to 2 inches of difference there, and we're gonna go ahead and install it now. So I found the best way to do this. Make sure you guys grab the right side where this curved piece here is lined up with the holes. Took me a little bit to figure that out, that I messed that up. Go ahead and move the strap up here. We can go ahead and simply reinstall this. I'm just going to hand tighten them in there now. Hand tighten the bolts in there. All right. And we'll go ahead and tighten them down. A little bit tighter than I thought there. All right, and she is in there. So let's go ahead and replace this plastic cover. All right, and that is done. Let's go ahead and attach our door strap. There she goes. All right. Now that opens up a lot further. My strap is a little bended, but that's okay. And it opens up a lot further. So that door strap is on there. Let's go ahead and jump out and I'll give you guys a little review of this side so far. All right, so as you guys can see, I'm gonna back up a little bit. This front door is not opened up to a total 90-degree angle, but it is definitely opening up, or definitely opened up a lot further than the other side, which I haven't done the other side just yet. And the back one has opened up to a complete 90-degree angle, which is awesome. And you know what? This will help you load in gear a little bit better and load in your luggage or load in people a little bit better. So this is pretty awesome. I like the way this is designed. I like the way it's set up. And yeah, let's go ahead and jump to the other side. I'm probably gonna do a time lapse on the other side so it's a little bit quicker for you guys, and then we'll do the outro for this video. We'll see you guys here in a second. that's going to be it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed, hit the like button, subscribe for more videos like this. And I have a lot of new exciting content for you guys coming here within the next couple weeks. I can't wait to show you guys. It's going to be really cool. If you guys want to buy this product from Molle Platform Solutions, I'll put them in the description box below, along with those front, and I believe you can use them for the rear as well. RedRock 4x4 Paracord black straps for the doors. If you guys want to buy those, I'll put those in the description box as well. And guys, I'm gonna get out of here and work on another video for you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.